Ionics, manual booth, oven, wash booth.
Yes.
Correct, Tim?
Okay.
Just so you know, Mario is out of the shop, not this.
Got it.
I've been doing this 30 plus years, and so fabricating and machine shop is my specialty. And every plant that some plants that I've sold off and have this old blue counterfeiting lines and stuff like that. I've had success in selling them.
Hey, I have another question. Is it an option just to lower one of the panels or two of the panels and bring that down? Or do you think everything has to be lowered? It goes over two. It could fit over
These
two.
side walls have to be lower. Because you don't want to up with this. You can reduce that by 2 feet there, but there's two blowers up in here. One of them blows this way, one of them blows that way. And the burner is on the side. So
Okay.
we'd have to make the whole thing shorter.
Okay, so all three of them have to be shorter.
Yes. Well, they don't have to be shorter.
But then the rails wouldn't fit.
Just the big.
But the rails wouldn't fit. You know how they all have to be the same level?
Right.
Okay.
Neil, when they take this thing apart, they can cut it to length and fit it inside the building.
It's just the height. I need to try and figure out a way to make it 1 foot shorter.
Moving it to Houston?
Yeah,
And that's how high your building is in
18.6.
Houston? You already have the building?
Yeah. So do you have any other ideas for making it fit? Well, maybe there's a way to just make the one building, one booth shorter, right?
Maybe you can get a building guy to cut a hole
In the ceiling?
and then, in the roof, and then just make a box around the top, another 5-6 feet.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna figure that
It's
out.
up inside of it.
Or maybe
You
I
don't
can
wanna
make it
stick
fit
that
through the
outside.
rafters, you know?
Yeah.
It would be better for him to cut the roof and accommodate the space than to cut the booths down.
Yeah.
Because